Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi magnific espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because pretty much noises were coming out from it, and the grounds were going just all around the tray instead of going straight to the grounds container. So it was just making a mess in here, and all the grounds were completely that. And we fixed that by just giving a tune-up and pretty much unclogging the grinder, because the grind was completely clogged, and that was backing up all the grounds, the new grounds, to pretty much not grinding anything. It was just pretty much stuck in there. So we just give it a clean, unclog it, did a tune up on the machine, replace the infuser. This is the old infuser, and as you can see, the newer one is right there. And give it a descaling on the machine, replacing the gasket from the generator, deep clean the generator screen, as well as pretty much a general clean in the whole machine. And now let's test it. A little bit over 2 hours, so let's put it in the middle. That's a brief fusion. It's a little bit coarser like that because we pretty much ended up putting it at the coarsest level. So as you can see, it doesn't have any crema as it's supposed to, but you can just adjust the grind just little by little. Make sure you do at least three shots of espresso to let the machine kind of like calibrate, and so you'll be able to get a better shot of espresso than this one. And now let's just try the hot water. Apparently that was not the hot water, that was just a steamer. Forgot to press that button over there. So right now, steaming perfectly fine. And let's test the hot water now. Now that's the hot water. There you go. A little bit. As you can see, working pretty good. And the grounds, let's just look at them. Not making a mess anymore. The grounds are over there. You can barely see them, but there's nothing backing up over here. Pretty clean. Okay, thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.